The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a
All right.
multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult
Why
as
is
it
it like
continues.
that? I don't want it to show like, why does it look like I have green screen? Bro, I can't even fucking fix this. Why does it look like I have green screen? I'm in a short position. Where did I show my screen? How can I move this? This is too ill. It's too ill. All right. I'm gonna put you right here. All right, you're cool right here. Your little head's cool right here. So what is it? So I started this combine last week, and what is it? I'm in the short position now before open. I'm seeing this target, 4 hour opening price to this new week opening gap. On the micros, I haven't checked the minis, but on the micros, we have no wick on the daily. Today is a bank holiday too. It's Veterans Day. Shout out to all the veterans. To you, Henry. Shout out. Shout out. Thank you for serving. Thank you for serving. And yeah, I just see his first target hitting 6 a.m. opening price. This 4 hour order block target, just like that, just having that like that candle out of the rest, calling it an order block. And just really that new week opening gap is the target. I also have a position on trading view. So I'm right here, I'm in a position already. So on this screen, I use the previous candle, see if we can go reach the equilibrium, but it doesn't look like we are. Same with the 15-minute SIBI. If we were gonna go tap back into, I have my stop loss like above it. And we just don't seem like we're going to do that. We're going to leave it as a breakaway. And that like kind of shows that like price is bearish. It's like, it doesn't want to go back up there and it just wants to reach for lower, which is also Asia low. I forgot to mention. And of course, some people that trade like ICT and like Power of Three, they call it the devil's mark when the higher time frame doesn't have a wick, the bottom or the top. So, that's what we'll be trading. I'm already in position. I'm expecting open volatility to just shoot price down or show manipulation to the upside. That's why I have a lot of breathing room, like just like 30 points on this one. And this one has like a lot. This one has like 30, 40 points of breathing room to go back up. So we're just going to be I don't know, I'm kind of cold. We're going to just see what price does. And I didn't really expect to trade today. I was going to sleep in, but I saw this and I was like, you know what? Why not like record this as well and post it onto YouTube since I've been like gone as well for like pretty long, like 8 months, 8 month hiatus or whatever. And yeah, we're just going to see how this trade plays out. I'm fine if this goes up to here. Take out some buy side here and then shoot down or even go to that 15-minute civvy, but that is also concerning because that is pretty close to my stop. Let me just make sure everything's good. But yeah, I'm targeting this new week opening gap right here. That first 6 a.m. flip. I want this candle here to flip to black. I have it as black. Targeting, and well, you can go lower because it like the daily wick is going to make a wick. But like I'm happy there. As you can see, it's going to show that I wish Top Step changed their like how Trading View has it where you can't even see the position, but like the ticks or something. I think you can do that. I'm just too lazy to check right now the settings. I don't really want to do all that while I'm recording. But like as you can see, like we're expecting this 3 minute FEG right here. The bodies respected it really, really good. Just the wicks went to the 50% of it. And yeah, I just really expect the opening to go hit right away, 6 a.m. opening price, and I think we're below midnight open now. Yeah, we're like below it, but I see us manipulating back up. The open's about to happen right now in 10 seconds. I really want to see you move down with the open volatility. I don't want price to just shoot back up. I want to see us go down. But we'll just see what happens. Like right now, it has no wick as well in the 1 minute, so you can expect price to go back down. Uh, it should create a wick down there. It should go down like now, pretty rapid, pretty fast. All right, it created its wick, so we just gotta wait. I might actually greet my mom. She came back from work. I think she didn't have any school bus today. She came back from somewhere, so I'm gonna just go say hi to her, let this play out, and I'll be right back. Hits my stop, hits my stop, hits my TP, hits my TP. No matter what. I don't like how it's doing that though. 30-minute looks nice. Let me see this. Yeah, that's weak. If this can hold, like it'll be perfect. It looks really weak. I'm using that Wix. It only hit the 0.25. So we're hitting 6 a.m. We hit 6 a.m. I really expect to see that candle flip because this is the low of the candle of the 4 hour candle. I see that breaking and I'm seeing the 30-minute right now. We only went up to 0.25 and on the 1 minute you can see we're running it up already. That opening price can act as like support as well, but I don't see it like holding up at all. So we just gotta wait. I'll be right back though, for real. I have to say I want to have to say hi to my mom. Good morning and stuff. So let the trade play out. I don't know which chart to show you, this one or that one. But yeah, I don't know what to show you. But we'll leave it here. Where we at? Where we at? Okay, cool. So we went down, we went lower. Yeah, I'm seeing that 30-minute wick. Thing is it's just too volatile. Look at that. How much was this? This would have been 800. Wow. Um, yeah, I don't really like how it's reacting like that, to be honest. We took out that 4 hour low though. The That recent low made a new lower low. That's kind of I don't really like that how we didn't continue lower. Is this a new 5 minute? No, it's not. 15? No. Obviously, we just opened. But I'm holding the position. So down there. Or take $1,000 loss. It's just on a combine too. It's Monday. You have equal highs here now. Yeah, look again. Part of it hitting here. I'm just kind of surprised I did that. I would have expected it to at least go to Asia low, right? So now I left the equal lows there. It's pretty volatile, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like it. I kind of like when price just goes straight to it and not like just do this. That's been happening like the past few weeks. Price has just been going like just consolidating like that, and then like in the final my hours, like the macros, like now in the expected times that you want it to happen. Like I don't know, price moves no matter what. So this could literally consolidate, stop me out, and then go lower. But I kind of see it happening now. Like I see ES right now, the 5 minute. I kind of see that candle flip, but I wasn't looking at ES at the time, to be honest. Looks like it was also going down. Looks like it was also going down. ES is a lot more slower than NQ. So, it's going, looks like we're just going to keep doing that. Look at this real quick. See if we respect this. 15 second. I don't really like looking at the seconds chart, but you can see the 1 minute and the seconds chart. It's a lot more cleaner, I guess. You can see you have an FUG here. We still haven't formed a fair value gap on the NASDAQ and the micro, but on ES we did. So we'll split that there. We're inverting that right now. Well, let's see what happens because I am in this short still. I really don't like how we flipped there, to be honest. I don't like how Price did that. If I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like that. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. I'm just waiting now. We're kind of respecting this 15-second fair value gap. The bodies are, looks like. Can't really see because of the 9:30 open. I use like an indicator for that, whatever. ES though is on, where's the Asia high and low, bro? Are there? Just trying to make sure like I'm good. Because ES and NQ don't really sometimes correlate with each other. I don't want ES to go higher in the SIBI or else we're just going to see consolidation, not like a push lower. I actually might take partials at Asia low because like ES is not going lower. It's not even going to its London. See like right there. Like that was good. I'm probably gonna take a partial to be honest. I'm gonna take a partial. I'm gonna lower my stops now. I'm also gonna take a partial on the micros. I do see it going lower, but like still. I'm going to take this one break even now. This is really good. Very good. Very good. Now, price is going in my favor. What time is it? 9:45. I want this to hit right now. I might take another one at like the order block, but at the same time, I kind of want the whole I kind of want the whole piece of the pie for this one. I kind of wanted to do all of it. It's going to take it anyway. ES just isn't correlating, which that always happens. So we just gotta wait. It looks like I am on sides for today. It I don't have a limit order for this, so I'm just gonna cancel it automatically. All right. Daily open, doubles market. And that's it. Oh, yeah. All right. I trade micros only due to just experience. And yeah, like that's it for today. My bad, I don't look presentable. I literally woke up. I didn't expect to wake up in time, but like I'm so used to waking up before open that like I just wake up. Like I was going to sleep in, like I slept pretty late and I just didn't really expect to wake up um in time for the markets today. Today is Veterans Day, so like I wasn't even planning on trading, but I saw the opportunity and I took it. And yeah, we executed it. We opened our position before the open and it went really well, and I'm very happy about that. I used like a previous candle's wick to see like to give me confluence as well, another confluence that price is going could go lower. And it shows right here the 0.25 of this went up there. It continued lower. And then on the lower time frame, you can see on the 1 minute, I was talking about earlier that we started doing all this right at open. And mind you, this is right at open. So like it can manipulate like that. It can do weird stuff like that. So like that's what happened. But I trusted my setup. I trusted that like it was going to go lower. We didn't have no daily wick. So out on the micros, I don't know again on the minis. I don't use the minis anymore. But I know like on the micros and minis have like SMTs. But enough talking. That's it for this video. Again, I didn't think I was gonna trade today, but we did. And yeah.